Hello everyone, and thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make very simple barbecued ribs in the slow cooker or crock pot. And you only need a few ingredients really for this. I am keeping it very simple. Of course you're going to need your ribs. I am using boneless country style ribs, pork ribs. You will also need of course barbecue sauce. I am using Sweet Baby Ray's original. And last but not least, you're going to need your seasoning. I'm using Lawry's, but you can use whatever you want, salt, pepper, whatever it is. I'm going to use Lawry's. Okay, let's go ahead and get our package opened up here. Now, you don't have to use pork ribs, you can use whatever kind of ribs you want. Doesn't really matter all that much. And then just season to your liking. Now if you really want to, after you put the seasoning on, you can put these in a pan and sear the seasoning on. I usually don't do that, but that is an option for you if you want. And I'm just going to go ahead and lay these in the crock pot here. Now I did put the side that I seasoned down so I could season the other side, so I'm just going to throw a little bit more Lawry's on top of that. And there we go. Now all you got to do, guys, is put the barbecue sauce in. I'm going to use the whole thing, and here we go. Super simple, guys. It doesn't have to be overcomplicated with, like, 50 different ingredients. Some of the recipes online that I find are, with the amount of ingredients, it just gets ridiculous. And that's it. That's all you got to do for that, and then throw the lid on. Now, as far as temperature and the amount of time, I always do 4 hours on high. I find that if I do it for any longer than that, the barbecue sauce just becomes like way too caramelized and the ribs seem a bit overdone. So 4 hours on high is what I do. In about 4 hours, I will go ahead and show you how it looks. And it's just that easy. Look at that. That looks amazing. They look amazing and they smell even better than they look. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Please like the video, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, and you guys have a good day.